Moyemfa Emro Ababawa, your friend say Akuapem Poloo or Isini. Etwesini na eba social media and so watching the din hopa. O say do baby said the be obejidinti on what me bo pass amanfo ndi na tem na wonfa nye ne din emu nsemoni.
Those at first when we started for a year I was paying.
You were paying to be insulted?
Yes. Yes. Because I really wanted, and I've been in a game and no one calls me and I was not getting any result. But after that, people were calling me for interviews and skincare deals. And stars will call me to dance or twerk on their songs and they will pay me. And those times, even Famille was giving me 5,000 to twerk on his song. Yes.
What?
Yes, I'm telling you that.
You twerked for Famille for 5,000
on his song.
On his song?
Yes. You know.